The continuing adventures of Velcro Man. A scene of fun and tranquility is a common sight along the South Carolina coast. Here we see some children playing in the sand, unaware that they are being watched.
Crap. Those kids down there are having fun, and I'm not. I know, I'll steal their toys. How dare they have fun while I'm miserable?
What are we gonna do, tell Mom and Dad? Nah, they wouldn't believe us. They'd think we're on dope or something. I know, let's call Velcro Man. How are we gonna do that? We'll just use the Velcro mating call. There's no one like Velcro Man. There's no one like Velcro Man. There's no one like Velcro Man. There's no one like...
You called?
Wow, that was fast! Yeah!
Kids, I'm a very busy superhero. You have a problem?
Velcro Man, some middle-aged baby with a beard stole our toys. Can you get them back?
It sounds like the nefarious handiwork of that Babyface Stubble. Relax, kids. I'll get your toys back. No problem.
He's really cool. I wish I was Velcro Man.
Hold it right there, Babyface Stubble. I've got you, Babyface. Give me those toys.
Rats! Rats! Leave me alone, Velcro Man, or I'll throw this dirty diaper at you.
Oh, no. Anything but that. Okay, Babyface. You'll get yours.
Oh, no!
Now to return these toys.
Thanks, Velcro Man! Yeah! Did you kick butt?
I dealt with Babyface Stubble my own unique way.
He kicked butt! Hooray for Velcro Man! He's our hero!
Yes, whenever there's a right to be wrong. Wherever there's a good deed that knows to be punished. Velcro Man will be there.